Let's conduct an experiment with the two ingredients you'll most likely find in mineral sunscreen: titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. These both are non-nano, which means the particles are too big to go into your bloodstream or have any damage on aquatic life. And that's the reason why they leave a white cast on your skin, especially if not rubbed in properly. But let's do an experiment. How does water and oil affect this? Let's start with adding a little bit of organic safflower oil. This helps disperse the powder and make it easier to spread. However, this is a very expensive way of doing it. That's why most natural mineral sunscreens are quite expensive, but there's good reasoning behind that. As you can see, the zinc oxide does eventually rub in, leave a physical barrier against UV rays. In my opinion, if you're using this on kids, then the slight white cast shows you any bits you may have missed. But I totally understand that some adults might not like that on their own skin, especially if their skin is darker than mine. I have to do this experiment on my husband's skin as it is a lot darker than mine. Anywho, now let's try it with water. This is a cheaper way of making mineral sunscreen, but you will need a preservative. And the good, natural, safe preservatives are usually pretty expensive. But let's see if adding water improves the spreadability. It's pretty fluid, so you'd probably need to add a thickener to it, like X-Gum. Otherwise, you'll make a mess like this. In my opinion, it doesn't soak in as well as the oil-based one. And the SPF factor of the final product will depend on the percentage of zinc oxide or titanium dioxide in that product. The more of it, the higher the SPF. Do not try and create your own SPF. Please leave it up to the professionals. And if you can, go for mineral sunscreen over chemical sunscreen.